I have just had a tasty little mod installed on Finbar, the RS, and I'm just gonna go pick it up. And I'll show you what it is when we get there. It was something I wanted to do myself, but literally the first bolt all broke and went wrong. And I couldn't do it myself at home on the drive, and I was getting frustrated. So I've given up, and I've got a professional to do it, Tom, at SPR Motor Engineers in Swindon. So he's put it on. I'm gonna go collect it now, and I'll show you what it is when I'm there. But I need to swap this car for my other car to go collect Finbar. So let's get that done. Right, now swapped back to Derek, the Daihatsu Terios. I'm gonna go to pick up the RS from Tom at SPR. Lots of swapping and changing of cars because Larissa's car is currently in the garage at the moment, having something done to that. So she's excited, but she's also carless. So yeah, we're gonna go to Tom's, gonna go pick up Finbar, the RS, and I'll show you what I've done. It's only a little thing, but I'm excited. There it is. Oh, there's another RS. Ooh, 2 RSs. There it is. This is what I've had installed. Don't know if the camera's picking up. Look at that, carbon fibre rear diffuser. Ooh yeah. Looks so much better. Don't know where Tom is. I like the look at this RS though. Look at that. That's a Sabre 500. Ooh. Sabre, that's who did mine, but mine is not running 500. Right, and there we go. Picked up Finbar from Tom at SPR. He's even given me some stickers to put on the car, which is cool. Use them all the time, so it's only right that I have some SPR stickers. That Focus RS there is wicked. It's meth injected, fully forged, running 540 brake horsepower, I think he said. I want to get Finbar to running that much power. That'd be wicked. So yeah, carbon fibre rear diffuser, only something little. So Tom got that off and installed the new one, and looks so much better. Carbon fibre always looks better. And yeah, that was the little job that I tried to do at home, and good thing I didn't try to continue because I don't think I'd have been able to do it. Anyway, that's some cool cars Tom's got in his unit there. And time to go home, and I will see you at the next event, which I think is GWAC on Sunday morning at the Village Inn. So I'll see you then. Yeah, buddy.